video is a bit different today, as I did want to break off and quote-unquote introduce my everyday car slash daily driver that I honestly consider to be the best. So without further ado, introducing my 2008 Lexus IS 350. I've owned this vehicle for close to 5 years now. No real issues, been real reliable. The car is equipped with a 3.5 liter V6 engine with roughly 300 horsepower to the rear wheels. Prior to finding and purchasing this car, I had a few non-negotiable requirements that I would like to share. Number one being, the car must be reliable and relatively affordable to maintain. So the Lexus being the luxury version of Toyota, I knew that the vehicle is expected to be reliable. But of course, I did my own research as well, looking into common issues, running costs, and so forth, which I would highly recommend and suggest to anyone. Number two being vehicle size. This is solely because I live in San Francisco and parking could get extremely tough with a large or oversized vehicle. Additionally, I wanted a sedan to make it easier on my friends, family, etc. Just an overall positive to have 4 doors versus 2. Number 3 being vehicle power. Car doesn't have to be fast, but I needed it to be powerful enough to merge onto the highway at a reasonable speed, also being able to climb the San Francisco hills without hesitation or issue. Last but not least, number 4 being semi-fuel efficient. My requirement was for a car that could achieve a minimum of 20 miles per gallon. Yes, I know the bar is set relatively low, but that is kind of the expectation for the vehicle power range I was shopping around for. Additionally, 20 miles per gallon was better than all of the previous cars I've owned. I know, kind of coping a little bit, but that is the truth. So with that being said, the Lexus IS 350 had checked off each of my requirements perfectly. Moving on to a few details of the car itself. This car is considered the second generation of the Lexus IS line, with this generation beginning in 2006 and ending in 2013. The IS 350 is equipped with a 3.5 liter V6 engine, making roughly 300 horsepower to the rear wheels. I consider the car to be relatively quick and helps me get around town without issue. You'll never run into any issues merging or climbing up hills as mentioned. Though the car is a 2008, I do feel like this car was a bit ahead of its time. Touching on a few key features that I really enjoy with this car. Number 1 being the keyless comfort access. Keyless entry, locking, and push to start, so there's no requirement to ever take the key out. While we're here, I did want to showcase the back seat and kind of touch on the cabin space. It is a bit cramped if you're trying to seat 5 people because the vehicle is rear-wheel drive. It has the hump in the middle for the drive shaft, so it'll be rather uncomfortable. Also, though I'm not very tall, you can see that the driver's seat still takes up a lot of room, even though it's adjusted rather forward. So overall, not going to be the best experience for taller individuals, especially on lengthier drives. Number 2, regarding key features that I enjoy, is definitely the factory equipped backup camera. Of course, the quality isn't going to be the best. It still serves its purpose perfectly. Number 3 being something I did not know the vehicle was equipped with, which is the heated side view mirrors. This feature is actually incredibly useful. Whether the mirrors were fogged up due to condensation, dew, or from the rain, this feature clears it up almost immediately. 10 out of 10 visibility. Number 4, last but not least, factory equipped Projector HID headlights and fog lights. It's absolutely incredible and really just helps out so much with visibility, especially compared to vehicles that are only equipped with halogen lights. Also, if anyone is curious, this specific color code is the Starfire Pearl White. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already done so. I look forward to continuing to create more content to share with each and every one of you. Thank you.